Mentakasi kajian kaseng Meghalaya Editors Publisher Association kabala pelong Hashlong Club kalajiat biang yoba Monak Shah kong President beruba ajuan thaba kong General Secretary kong Banda bla kong nongbat ya kapla pisa kiwe de kinong kitkam nakabenta ke samay trekam ha kini lais number nang 1 ya kajingjit kinong kitkam lajiat ha kajian lang kabaning kong. Habakran hakani kajian lang hadir bla syajid biang kong President uba Monak ula kentu ya baro ki tribe ki editor ki lat pathai kubor banyitre lang ban pedulong ya kajing don kam kaseng ban bakandang la ban tre kambha na ni syakmat hakani kasi la shimru ya ki rai ban sapha syaka sarkar.
We have been working together for, as I said, for 38 long years. So now when we have an elected bill, my request is that let us work together to see that this profession which we are now today will become stronger and will become vibrant in the days to come. I know that till the government of Meghalaya is looking for to work together with MEPA, to work together with the editors, to work together with the publishers, and to work together with all the journalists who are Meghalaya.
Hakajinya lang kabaal awan bani simbenta da commentary bari pej ya ketenat information but public relation ke sarkar jela ke Dr. Ampari Lingdo u commissioner by secretary ke IPR u Vijay Kumar Mantri IAS berba batlang Samuel Solia IAS secretary by director ke IPR. Hakajinya kran commentary ketenat pathai kubor ke Dr. Ampari Lingdo kalau ang babon na kijing ki bakum kitrai lat pathai kubor ki kendu lala ban penulong hendai dang dan ki bidang hak ban ya merjing mut ban pet kijing ki baki ya kendu ba kijing dan kam ki nong tho kubor.
Engaged actively, and a lot of your pending issues have been solved to some extent, but we still have certain problems in certain of your pending payments and other matters which need to be resolved amicably across the table over several discussions. And the Honorable Chief Minister has requested me to make a mention that though he is not here, he is constantly reviewing obligations and commitments that have from time to time surfaced in the several engagements with regards to issues and agendas.